they can get defensive, especially Calvin's known for his defense also, no? So they can get themselves really a good start in this ball. Oh, long one. Kitang-kita natin yun.
Jerica missing. Una niya makatapat ang converge. 5 points lang on 2 of 7 from the field. Pagpasok pa lang dito ni Jerry. 4 agad ang dineliver niya. Kaya lamang ulit ang San Miguel 2019.
Kanino yun?
Hindi, yung katabi si Abby Marami pala yun.
Oh, Abi, ano yun?
Kasama nila. Kasama ni Mrs. Trollano for 3. Punches it through.
Pero may oras pa ito.
King para sa board. Trollano with the finger roll.
And again, the defense late. You know, there's still a 4-point lead being enjoyed here by the San Miguel Beermen.
Trollano extra pass to King.
Hey, so na, ito.
Zone buster by George gives him 19.
Oh, 1-point lead para sa San Miguel. Another 4.
Trollano lights it up. One on the move. Over to Arana. Di nga lang makuha yung layup dyan. Ross on the push. Leaves it. Trollano to Abay for his first field goal tonight.
Tingnan mo yung mintis nila.
King at the other side. Lamang ng isang San Miguel Beer. Trollano down low.
As much.
Turns to the baseline and one para kay Don.
They can never the post. Problema. Especially if the switcher guys that know how to post. You know, katulad nila Trollano, nila Jericho Cruz. Ang laki na ng problema nila doon.
Titibay. Eh sa man shooting, baka medyo basag ang kumpiyansa sa ngayon as Trollano will kick it back out. He's left alone. Don makes a pay. Ross trying to get rid of the pesky defense of MJ Garcia. King down low, kicks it out. Don punches it through. Way back, ano ba to?
No, only last year.
January 15, Doc. Yung January 15, pero nanalo pa rin yung bossing, no? 96-86. 26 lang ang ginawa ni George King nun. Trollano inside. He just cannot be stopped, Doc.
Yeah, ang ganda kasi ng passing ng San Miguel.
One from the outside. No. King para sa rebound.
Ayaw na tumira ni Mikey.
Trollano hindi nahihiya. And that is a conference best 24-point performance na para kay Don. Definitely yung potential nandiyan dyan para sa Converge. Ang problema nga, can they come up with not just a stop, multiple stops?
Yeah, they have to make stops. No? Kundi talagang hindi sila makakabalik. And look at the way San Miguel just passes the ball. They're so confident.